Hey witches, Tiffany here, and today we are filming in my kitchen because I'm going to show you how to make rose water. Ever since the beauty magic video where I talked about the use of rose water and roses, and I in fact even included a spell that involved rose water, I've been getting a lot of emails of people asking me how to make their own. So I figured I'd just go ahead and make a video about it. So rose water is an excellent ingredient to have on hand because you can use it in spells, you can use it as a perfume or body spray or on your clothes when you're ironing. Water your plants in it, put it in your ritual bath water, use it as a facial toner, and in fact, you can even drink it. And inhaling the steam of it also has health benefits. So here we go. First, get yourself some roses. You can use color correspondences, but just a heads up, if this is only for one spell, this does create a pretty big batch of rose water. With that in mind, select whatever color you want. Pull the petals off and collect them in a colander or strainer. The easiest way to do this is to pinch the petals at the top and twist off. Then slightly pull them apart so they're not stuck together. Try to collect as little pollen in the colander as possible. I had a dozen roses and I used 10 of them in this batch, and the other 2 I saved those petals just so I can dry them and use them as actual petals in other spells. So just be aware, you are going to see what the serving size is for about 10 roses. Once they're all in the colander, rinse them under cool water. Put them in your pot and cover them with water. Now remember, you just want to barely cover the tops of them. If you put too much in, the rose water will be diluted. You can gently push them down if they're floating up to the surface. Just be careful not to crush them. Turn your burner to a low-medium heat, and once it starts to simmer, cover it and set a timer for 20 to 30 minutes. You'll know that they're done once the petals have either entirely or mostly lost their color. And speaking of color, side note, the color of your petals will affect the color of your rose water. So this batch turned out to be like a dark burgundy, and I've also done batches that came out almost clear from using white roses. Remove your pot from heat and go ahead and strain those petals out. You can just throw them away at this point. Once your water has cooled, go ahead and use a funnel and a bottle or jar, whatever container your heart desires, and go ahead and store up that rose water. All right, witches, that concludes our video on how to make rose water. Let me know how you intend to use yours down in the comments below. If this was informative, hit that thumbs up. If you're new and you enjoyed it, hit that subscribe. I am always just a quick little I'm just one quick message away, either via Instagram or email, and feel free to just follow me on Instagram just because I do try to respond to everybody who emails and messages me. If you have any requests for upcoming videos, please either message those to me or leave them down in the comments below. I'd love to know what you are interested in, what you want to learn about, and I'd love to be able to provide it. That's everything for today. I'll see you all soon.